Our interest now focuses on showing how to perform a test in order to assess damage on sensory nerve fibers by understanding the mechanisms of NerveCheck. The main unit contains the remote control, which will display the steps needed to perform the test in a dynamic and intuitive way, simple for both the explorer and the patient. After removing the vibration stimulator, place it gently on the metatarsal phalangeal joint of the first toe of the non-dominant foot, supporting the entire surface of the stimulator. Then the remote control screen will indicate the steps for the realization of the tests. In this case, a serial test in the following order: vibration, cold, warm, and heat pain. The stimuli can be strong, normal, weak, or void. After each stimulus, the doctor will require the patient if he felt it or not, and the patient should respond with yes or no, and data will be collected on the remote control. Once the test has been completed, normal or abnormal result will be displayed.
Muy bien. El test ha sido normal. Luego de concluido el test de la vibración,
at the end of the vibration test, retract the vibrator and pull out the thermal arm to continue with the cold, warm, and heat pain test.
Donde se producen los estímulos. Extrayendo nuevamente el brazo.
Place the thermode on the dorsal plantar area to be studied. NerveCheck will measure the room and patient's skin temperature before starting the tests. The cold test works by emitting different stimulus levels as strong, normal, weak, and void, and the patient will be required to respond if he felt the stimulus or not.
Sobre el estímulo. ¿Sientes?
No.
The warm test works in the same way, but with warm instead of cold. Finally, the heat pain test. In this test, the methodology of limit is applied, which is an ascending grade of temperature. The specialist asks the patient to notify him when feeling discomfort or unpleasant to the sensation of heat. The test will stop immediately, displaying normal or abnormal results.
Stop, que pare, yo pararé.
Sí.
Ahora comienza el test.
Sí.
Muy bien. O sea, el test ha sido normal.